In this video, we'll be demonstrating the various types of hoses the HW-1 is capable of rolling. Remember that using the HW-1 is a two-person operation for maximum safety and efficiency. Let's start with the 1.5 inch single donut roll. Start by laying out the hose so the female end is approximately 3 feet longer than the male end. Remove the HW-1's blade, then thread the middle of the hose's fold through the HW-1. Be sure to keep the slack on the female end further by 3 feet as mentioned before. Reattach the HW-1 blade, then begin rolling the hose while the second person feeds the male end. Slow down as the male end of the hose approaches. Carefully guide it into the HW-1. Once finished, remove the HW-1 blade and pull off the hose. Your 1.5 inch single donut rolled hose is now ready for storage. Now we'll demonstrate a 2.5 inch hose with a 4.5 inch lay flat width. Start by removing the grommet from the end of the threading mechanism. Reattach the washer and screw when finished. Now remove the guide blade and thread the male end of the hose through the HW-1 as shown. Reattach the guide blade and begin winding. Once finished, remove the HW-1 blade and pull off the hose. Your hose is now ready for storage. Now let's talk about hoses with a 5.5 inch lay flat width. Start by removing the guide blade and threading the hose through the head of the HW-1 and then behind the threading mechanism of the HW-1. Hoses with a lay flat width over 4.5 inches will not fit on the threading mechanism of the HW-1. This is why it's important to have a second person help guide the hose through the HW-1. After reattaching the guide blade, you will now be ready to begin winding. Once you reach the end of the hose, be sure to slow down to prevent injury or damage to the hose or product. Once you remove the guide blade, the hose is ready for storage. If you intend on mainly using these hoses or larger, please consult us before buying to see if the HW-1 is right for you. If you have any further questions, please call us at 1-800-991-2120 or visit us at readyrack.com.